Well, the nation's big cities were briefed today on the measles outbreak nationwide and in our state. The number of measles cases in Texas now stands at 279. The death of a child reported back in February remains the sole fatality in Texas from this outbreak. Fox 4's Sean Rabb joins me in the newsroom with the latest on this. Sean?
Yeah, that briefing today called the Big Cities Health Coalition, where public health officials come together and share strategies and best practices to fight disease. Top of mind right now, of course, measles, and concern that there will be a resurgence of the disease because of what one health official calls a pool of vulnerable, unvaccinated people. Lubbock, Texas Public Health Director Catherine Wells, Dallas County Health and Human Services Director Philip Wong, and Simbo Ige, Public Health Commissioner in Chicago, where there was a measles outbreak this time last year, made up the panel answering questions from media across the country. Catherine Wells talked about what it was like to get that call from a hospital on a Friday night of the first 2 suspected measles cases in West Texas. The trio stressing the best strategy against measles is what has worked for decades, the measles vaccine, and that there should be a consistent message.
All of us, from the highest level down to the ground level, need to be reinforcing that message about the importance of vaccines, and that vaccines are the way we prevent this and are going to address this and need to address this. And we, we do have some concerns when some other messages might dilute that message. And certainly we know that there's some of the messages about vitamin A and other things, and those don't prevent measles. It's the, vaccine that is able to prevent measles and is the reason why we haven't seen measles.
Now, Chicago's public health commissioner said the outbreak there last spring, kind of like what's happening in West Texas, starting in unvaccinated folk, and that it took 30,000 vaccinations to get control of the spread. Secretary of Health and Human Services Robert F. Kennedy Jr. had said vitamin A could be used to prevent measles. Medical groups said that is not so. It might reduce effects, but cannot prevent. 279 cases in Texas. Add what's happening in New Mexico and Oklahoma, the 3 states right now, a total of 321 cases.